Hello friends, today I have another unboxing and I will show you guys new shoes that I've got lately, and they are from Amazon, and the name of shoes is called Dr. Martens Jadon I think, and I will unbox them right now. So here is the box. It came in this thing, so I already removed. It came from Amazon. So let's show you. Here is the box. Dr. Martens Air Aware. Let's open it. On the other side of the box, here is some description, and here is the box inside, and it says also here when Dr. Martens were established in 1960, and this shows. Let's take them out. Some thingy. There are Dr. Martens Jadon. I liked them and I got them on Amazon from the Shadow company. Here is the one. Here is some paper, and here is another one, and here is the imprint on the box. But it's funny because those shoes are so small, and mine is in size 10, so it's not legit because it's not. So here is shoes. I removed this paper. And it looks like so. Wow, nice. It comes with a tag. Yeah. Let's see what tag says. Dr. Airways Martens. Yeah. It says this. So yeah, this is Jadon's, and they looks like so. I've got them in color black, as you can see. So yeah, here are those boots. They are made from nice, smooth leather. And this thingy they have, which is very sturdy. Wait, this thingy is actually really made from thick material, and the leather is also thick. So inside we have paper. Let's see here, paper. It seems like the tongue is a little bit twisted. I also read the reviews on Amazon, and it was saying that some people had that problem too. And we have how many? 2, 4, 6, 8 eyelets. And eyelets looks like so. Here are how looks laces. So how laces looks like. Here's how stitching looks like. So it's very neat, as you can see. back looks like so. What else? Here we have that yellow stitching and the platform. And the sole looks like so. So they are a little different than the first, the old ones, and they have thick platform. And it says they are air cushion sole, oil, fat, acid, petrol, alkali resistant. So yeah. So they are really, I've got them in size US 10 because so in past I had Dr. Martens in size 9, but actually when I tried them on they were a little bit tight, so I decided to go with size 10, and I hope they will be not too big. Kind of really big, but I don't know, they are so big. Try a zipper. If it's nice. Yeah, it's nice. And here we have even this part, which is not from real leather, but this part is from real leather. Leather inside. Let's see. Here, leather inside looks like so. As you can see, and here it says they are made from leather. Maybe I try them on. I want to change the way they are made here. I want to change it a little bit. So I will do it how I like it. Without, it looks like so. Let's change them. Laces. And here also. Maybe the laces in them seems like they are a little bit coated with some wax or something. I don't know. Here's insert. Here. Here's the insert inside, and it only runs halfway, and the halfway of shoe it's white stuff, something white. It's not visible in the way. See, it's something white. So I don't know why it's not a four-way. So them on me. So this is how it looks like on me. And I tried them on, they look big, but maybe that's the impression they give. Because when you go with camera more far away, it seems fine. But they are very hard leather, so better. I'm glad I sized half size up as I don't like when shoes are too tight. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy such unboxings, and in the next unboxing I would do the Dr. Martens Molly, as I also got them, and then do comparison about both shoes. So keep watching, stay tuned, subscribe for more videos. Maybe I will do also a video about how to style them, I don't know yet. So give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos with Dr. Martens and other shoes, vlogs. See you in the next one. Bye.